1.38% profit in just over an hour. Trading the London session this morning, there wasn't a great deal going on, but I managed to get in and get out in a relatively short period of time with a good profit. Okay, let's get straight over to the charts. Please remember to hit subscribe, and if you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute, take a look in the description box below this video, and I've put some links in there where you can get some more information. Okay, let's get over to the charts. It's 7:57, just before the London Open on the 2nd of December 2019. Just taken one trade, seen one entry on the Australian, well, so I took it at 7:38, so just a little while ago. Not seen a great deal of movement throughout the Asian session, but just taken this first trade on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. I've taken it long, got in this at 24 and looking for further upside movement on this, up towards that 50 level where I've got my take profit at the moment, and that will give me just over 24 pips I think, and I've got a 12 pip stop loss on this. So that's it at the moment. I'm just flicking through these charts, seeing if there's anything else to be taken. There's no red news events that are planned to come in on the London session, but we're always keeping an eye out for the price action to start moving dramatically or erratically, which is usually caused by an unplanned red news event. Anything can happen at any time. You have to stay on your toes, and we're prepared for that, working purely with price action. Okay, I'll pause the video for now, and I'll be back in a little while just to give you an update and let you know if there's any changes at all. Back soon. So back with you just to show you that Australian dollar Japanese yen took a little bit of a pullback there, but now it's pushing back into profit, just approaching that previous day's high. I've also taken on that pullback the Australian dollar US dollar. Saw that pullback down through an entry point, took this long at 74, looking for further upside movement, and in fact I've got my stop loss in place there for 10 pips. But what I'll do, I'll push this take profit up to that 0.0 level, just below that 0.0 level on the Australian dollar US dollar. And New Zealand dollar US dollar, took this long as it came through that entry point at 55. Got my take profit up there around about that 80 level. So that's it. 3 trades I'm holding at the moment, and nothing else to add to this right now, so I'll pause the video. Okay, just going back over these trades now. It's 8:44 London time. Seeing these Australian dollars starting to take off now, starting to move. Seeing this Australian dollar US dollar push through that 80 level. Australian dollar Japanese yen, I'm going to lock in a bit in there just to cover costs. And the New Zealand dollar US dollar doing exactly the same thing. There's less on this at the moment, but again, I'm really not interested in losing anything at all today. I just don't want the start of this week to be a losing week. Last few weeks it's been really difficult with the lack of price action, and I know New York traders have been feeling the same. So I'm just playing it a little safe on these trades, and now they can do what they want. If they turn round and behave how they have been over the last few weeks, it doesn't really matter. So that's it. Just those 3 trades I'm holding right now. I've considered putting a few orders in on a couple of other pairs, but I'll come back anyway. I'll pause the video for now, and I'll come back in a little while, show you how this is playing out. Back soon. Back to let you know that I've gone flat on those 3 trades that I had. Seeing a profit at the start of the week, it really is a psychological thing. Reasonable profit showing as well in a very short session. So I'll just flick over to the summary screen, show you how I did on those 3 trades. So in and out of the London session very fast today. Approximately an hour I was trading for. Just took 3 trades. You can see the Australian dollar Japanese yen, I got 15 pips. Australian dollar US dollar 9 pips. And New Zealand dollar US dollar 8 pips. Give me a total of 32 pips, and that works out to 1.38% profit on my capital. If you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute, as usual, down below this video is the description box where you'll find links that will take you straight into all the information that you need. I'll finish this video up now. Thanks very much for watching. Please remember to hit subscribe, and I'll be back soon with another video.